I'm a criminology and criminal justice major at UMD, and I joined the +1 program at Smith because I have an interest in forensic accounting. The whole essence of what forensic accounting is investigating and detecting fraud in businesses and corporations. So with the investigative mindset that's cultivated throughout the criminology and criminal justice major, I can combine that with the technical knowledge of accounting and come into it and just have this ready, set, go mindset for finding and detecting fraud. Forensic accounting is not really a thing that you can get into without having an accounting background at all. So everything just sort of aligned. One of the professors that's had the biggest impact on me is definitely Emmanuel Sir. I had a bunch of questions and concerns, and because of course I did, I've never done anything with accounting, right? And he sat with me in his own free time and talked me through everything, gave me a lot of advice. He got me in touch with the person that I needed to speak with for registering for classes. He gave me recommendations for which classes I should take this term while I'm still in undergrad. So in terms of internships, he got me a few interviews. Every time I got an interview invitation, I would reach out to him and say, hey, just by the way, I got an interview. And he's like, oh, fantastic. And he would put me in touch with a career center advisor. Smith has an Office of Career Services, and they've helped me a lot with interview prep and perfecting my LinkedIn profile. For interview prep, I would be meeting with an advisor, and they would walk me through my questions. These are the questions that they're gonna ask, or the types of questions they're gonna ask. And I had a lot of questions for how should I present myself? What kind of strengths and what kind of weaknesses should I focus on? When they asked me this question, I have 3 stories that I could possibly give. Which one should I give? Sort of showing me the ropes of how to bring in my skills that I have cultivated in other interviews to really perfect the ones now. I'm really happy that I'm getting my master's of accounting at Smith because the faculty are fantastic. They're supportive and they really help you get to where you need to be. I've been learning accounting for 4 months and I already have an internship with the Big Four. So that's honestly all that you need to know. Don't be afraid to jump into this master's program, even if you don't know anything about the subject beforehand. Having that one class that's required to be in the program is enough. You learn everything else as you go. You should not step away from the opportunity just because you don't think you're qualified for it.